On today's video, we're doing the ribeye Philly cheesesteak challenge. All right, before anybody starts in the comments down below, we're in Oklahoma. I get it. This ain't Philadelphia. I've never been to Philadelphia. Usually when you go to places, the two touristy spots in Philadelphia are Pat's and Geno's, right? But it's funny, most of the people that go there don't like Pat's or Geno's, they go someplace else. So I'm not gonna get a plane ticket to go there. So I figured we just try it here. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like one cheesesteak, and I know Wes likes another. So I figured, hey, let's do it. And pay attention, because there's gonna be some tips in this video, some tricks for you to get sliced ribeye at home and have somebody do it for you, because that's the hardest thing.
Oh, baby.
So without further ado, hold on. Before we get started, let's talk about what we got. We got 2 pounds of sliced ribeye. I don't know that I can fit a pound in one of these, but we're gonna try. We have provolone cheese and cheese whiz, the canned stuff. This is what you use. I saw it at, not Pat's, not Geno's. Who's it? Tony Luke's. Tony Luke's. I heard he's actually got the best cheesesteak, but I don't know. We're gonna kick it up a little bit though, because we're gonna put some jalapenos in ours, because that's what men do. That's just what they do. You good with jalapenos?
I'm ready, man.
All right. We got sliced onions, sliced peppers. We're gonna cook them on the griddle, and we're gonna season them up with a little bit of SPG. So, all right, this time, without further ado, let's get to cooking. I had a Crown apple margarita the other day. All right, just a quick recap. We got sliced ribeye steak, and a tip for that sliced ribeye, if you visit your local Asian market, 9 times out of 10, they already have it sliced for you. And we got, what, 4 pounds for $9 or something like that.
$9.
2 pounds.
2 pounds.
2 pounds, $9.
It's a nice looking steak too.
Yeah, and it's paper. Man, they do a killer job. I'm not a fan of bell peppers, but I'll take one for the team. As you can tell, I like cheese whiz. Wes likes provolone. So that's what we're gonna test.
Cheers.
Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you love steak, if you're a man and you love steak, click on this video here and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh man, I can't wait for this, bro. Those are awesome. Yeah, that's so good, man.